Hello and welcome everybody to this little video clip about the ARP Odyssey Model 2800 synthesizer that I'm selling on eBay. Technically, this is one of the earliest models of the Odyssey that you can find. It is basically identical with the white face model. It has the round pitch wheel knob and it has the small power on, power off switch, but the main thing is probably that it has the 4023 12 dB 2-pole filter, which gives the unit a very special character. So just want to demonstrate you that everything is working on this unit, and so let's start with the keys. So this was basically the oscillator 1 with square wave. So we can now add the oscillator 2, and then you can discover the very special thing about the ARP Odyssey. It is really duophonic, so you can split both oscillators, and so you can have two notes at once. So then we switch to the other waveform here. Can sync those two. The octave transport bar. Here we have a look at the back side of the unit. As you can see, there is a control voltage gate in and out on this unit. This has been probably factory applied, and it is very useful if you want to integrate it in your host, and you can trigger it with a MIDI to CV converter, and this is very comfortable. So it has CV in, gate in and trigger in, also the same thing for out, so you can apply it to any kind of other monophonic synthesizer. Here we have the high and the low level output, and this is basically the only modification I have done so far, because on the high level output you have a very cheap and unstable RCA plug, which I replaced to a solid 3.5 inch plug, so this is much more stable. You have the audio in and you have the pedal in for, let's say, a portamento or whatever you need. Just one word on the keyboard. The keyboard has been completely rebuilt. All the J-wires have been carefully polished and all the bushes have been replaced. So in my opinion it plays probably better than it played in new condition. The sliders have been cleaned very professional, and wherever it was necessary they have been replaced. So all the sliders are working and they're all present and there are no issues. Probably this is maybe the cleanest Odyssey I've seen for years. It's perfect, and I'm quite sure that it will satisfy you. It's a very nice thing.